Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll speak about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Tapas app with good settings. Then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will search about the application of Tapas and you will click here. In this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.